So let's look at this second example. The second example isn't using compound interest, it's actually using simple interest. It's a bit more complex of an example. Find the value of the missing variable in each of the following simple interest situations. So we're using simple interest, okay? So the first scenario, we have $200 interest, an investment of $5,000, and a time of 6 months. Because we're using simple interest, I'm going to write this simple interest formula, I equals PRT. And I'm going to identify what I can. Do I know the interest? Yes, I do. It says it's $200. Do I know the principal? Yes, I do. It's $5,000. Do I know the time? Yes, I do. Or actually, let's have a look. Do I know the rate? No, I don't know the rate. Alright? It's a question mark. Let's leave it as X. Do I know the time? Yes, I do. It's 6 months, which converts to 0.5 because it's half a year. Alright? We always do the time in years. Now I fill what I know into this formula. So I've got $200 equals 5,000 because the principal is 5,000. Now I don't know the rate, so I'm just going to leave that as an X times X, alright, times 0.5. Now I could do this by, first of all, simplifying this side. I could just do 5,000 times 0.5, which would be 2,500 X and 200. Then I'd have to get rid of that 2,500 by dividing by 2,500, divided by 2,500. Alright, and if I got my calculator and went 2,500 divided by 200, actually no, it's the other way around, isn't it? 200 divided by 2,500, and oops, I'll do it in black, 0.08 is equal to X. Alright, now 0.08 is equal to X, that is converted into a percentage, is going to be 8%. Alright, because we have to times it by 100 to get into the percentage. So we answer it in words now. The interest is 8%. Alright, I'm going to show you a bit of a trick now. Show you a bit of a trick at this stage here. What we can actually do is we can skip from this step straight down to this step. We don't have to do any of that solving there. So let's see how we do that. Well, this is an equation where we don't know one variable, so we can actually use our calculator. You can see I've done it earlier up here. Let's do it again. So I'm going to type solve, alright, and I'm going to type in 200 equals 5,000, because this is what our equation says, 200 equals 5,000 times X times 0.5. Now that's not the end of this situation, you have to actually tell what you're solving it for. Alright, if I do that, bang, straight down to this step here, alright, and then we can just times it by 100 to convert it into percentage. So at this stage, we can use calc solve. That way we don't have to transpose the equation and get X by itself, so we can skip this step here, and I'm happy for you to do that on your test. We'll do one quick example here. Again, I write interest equals PRT, and I see what I've got. Interest is 350, paid on an investment of 4% per annum. So this time I've got the rate. Remember, I write it as a decimal, and 9 months. So the time is equal to 9 over 12, and if we put in that our calculator, 9 divided by 12, and it's a percentage of 0.75. 0.75. Now I put what I know into my equation. 350 equals principal, which we don't know, so I'm going to leave that as an X, times the rate, which is 0.04 times 0.75. Now I can put that into my calculator. I'll just pause it and put it into my calculator. Actually, I might just do it in the next video. So I'll let you have a go at putting it into your calculator and seeing if you can get the solution, and I'll show you the solution in the next video.